In the US, lamb consumption is about 1 pound per person annually, which is far less than any other type of protein. But the recent popularity of locally raised, grass-fed meat has led to a resurgence in the demand for lamb. Here in Washington, over 50% of all lambs are raised by part-time farmers or on small production farms. Like other types of red meat, lamb is a complete source of protein, so it contains all 9 essential amino acids our cells need to build strong muscle. Lamb is also a great source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, selenium, and zinc. Our body needs vitamin B12 for proper blood formation and brain function. Selenium is a mineral that is a powerful antioxidant and prevents damage from harmful free radicals that accumulate in our cells. Finally, lamb is a good source of zinc, which our body uses to make insulin, a hormone crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. Now that you know lamb can be a healthy addition to your diet and a great way to support your local Washington farmer, I hope you'll consider including it in your next meal.